Hi everybody, this is Bill from Bill's World. Thanks for joining me, YouTube. Glad to see you guys. Today we're going to be talking to Brad Dunham about his new tool, the Dremel. Let's get close to Brad and see what he's got going on. What's up, Brad?
Yeah, I'm going to try and cut this side staple.
Oh, you got to cut the side staple, all right.
That's a Dremel 200.
Dremel 200.
Got this at Ace Hardware up at Norton.
Ace
My
Hardware.
crank out on the way here.
See how it
And
works.
we'll see how this cuts. See?
Done.
Every time. There we go again. That thing has no chance.
No chance.
It's all good.
And what kind of attachments did you get with that?
I got several. There's a sander. There's a blades, a wrench. Even they even throw this in for the attachments.
Oh, okay. What's your favorite
Grinder.
one to use?
Well, so far this one would be, it cuts metal very well. This is
And
a
what
polisher.
is that? Let's get a full view on that.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
It doesn't look like much, but it does a lot. And
And
you know,
look
you
at
got
the-
your
Look at the
sand.
smooth cut on that.
Sure. And then you got your sander. You got a grinder. You've even got polish. They even throw polish into.
Okay.
I don't know, man. It's the whole deal. It's like $55 at Ace Hardware.
Well, Brad, we want to
Probably my favorite tool I've ever had.
thanks for being on Bill's World and
Here we
Dremel
go
away.
again. All right. All good.
Dremel bros forever, man.